signed up for the directory, now you probably want to access it. You have two ways that you can access it, and first we'll go over the website way. So you can go under Connect to Directory once again, or type in parklandchapel.org/directory. And this time, you'll click on Existing User. It'll pop up a new tab and it'll prompt you to type in your phone number. You'll do so, and then click Next, and then it'll send a 6-digit code to your phone. This is to make sure that you are really you and some weird person is not trying to access everyone's information. Alright, so once you type in the code, click Next, and it says hello me and log in. So I'm logging in as myself, and now you can see the entire directory. And so right now you can see it as pictures or as people. If you want to see it as households, you can view them households. And that is all you have to know about accessing the directory.